people live their lives without achieving any goals. So let me ask you one question. Were you able to achieve your goal in the year 2023? This year 2023, have you been able to achieve any great goal? I know for sure most of you guys are going to answer no. So the question is, why were you not able to achieve your goals within the year 2023? Why is that? Why were you not able to achieve any goal in the year 2023? Or even if you try something, you did not finish up. So why were you not able to achieve any goal in the year 2023? And the answer is simple. One is either you did not set any goal at all, you did not set goals in the year 2023 at all, or you set too many goals, or you set the goals but you couldn't follow your plan, or you didn't even make any plan. You didn't discipline yourself to follow and achieve that particular goal within the year 2023. So now the year has ended and you have not achieved anything great, you've not added anything to your life, you've not achieved any goal. So let's begin with a question. What's a goal? What is a goal? A goal is a dream, an expectation, or a hope to gain something in addition to your life. It's a dream to do something better, to better your life, or to achieve a purpose. That is a goal. Goals are our road path that pushes us to do something. So imagine you set a goal or you set goals every year. How better will your life become? How better can you become as a person? Ask yourself. Imagine I set goals every year. How better will I become? But without knowing this year 2023, you're not able to achieve any great goal because you don't even set any goals. Most of you guys live your life without even setting any goal. You don't set any goal, you don't set any target. You just live and you just move on. So the year will end and you do not achieve anything great. You do not achieve anything at all. You did not set goals. So the past is gone. The past is gone. 2023 is gone. So the question is, ask yourself, how can I make the year 2024 my best year or one of my best years? How can you do that? Just ask yourself, how can I make the year 2024 my best year or one of my best years? As individuals, our goals differ. Some of us have financial goals, others have health goals, others have relationship goals, others have educational goals. So, irrespective of what your goal is, you must be able to set some goals within the year to be able to achieve them. If not, the year will end and you achieve nothing. So take a pen and paper and ask yourself, what are all the things I wish I could do in the year 2024? All the things you wish. Write them down. Write about 10 goals. Write them on a paper. All the things you wish you could do, even if you can achieve them or you cannot achieve them, just write them on a paper. Take paper. Goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3. Just set 10 goals, 10 things you wish or you desire to have in the year 2024. Write them down. The first 3 will be very easy because it's easy to think about them. The next 3 will be hard, and the last 4 will be very difficult. This shows that if you force yourself to think, the answers will come. But as human beings, as individuals, we don't think, we want the easy way out, so we refuse to think and set goals. So set 10 goals, write them down. 10 goals, first 3, second 3, and the last 4. All these 10 goals, write them on a paper. So you can either pause the video and do that, or you can just replay the video again and do that. Don't forget, we are getting to the year 2024 and we don't want to mess things up. So please be serious, okay? So take a pen and paper and write 10 goals. 10 goals, 10 things you wish or you desire to have or you desire to achieve in the year 2024. Now, after this, you ask yourself, which of these goals that if I'm able to achieve within the year will have great impact in my life? So among the 10 goals, just select only one. Select and circle only one. Yes, this is the goal. If I'm able to do this, it will have great impact in my life at the end of 2024. Your goals might be many, but there is one particular goal that when you're able to achieve, it affects any other goal on your list. This is why it's very important to pinpoint what is your central focus point. So that particular goal becomes what? Your central focus point. That's your focal point for the whole year 2024, because if you're able to achieve that particular goal, it may affect any other goal. So some may set educational goals. Maybe you want to better yourself in education. You want to go and do your degree or your master's or your PhD, or just to get a certificate to do 1 or 2 jobs, or to be able to be promoted in work or at your workplace. Some may also set financial goals to be able to better your finances. Maybe the amount of money you are earning at the end of the month does not reach you and your family. So you want to top up your finances, right? You want to better your finances. So you can either do this by maybe seeking for promotion, or starting a new business, a new small business, or being just learning forex, like as we are here as forex traders, just learning forex or becoming a good forex trader. These are all different goals anybody can set. You write all these things down, you select only one. If I'm able to do this, yes, this is the focal point, it will change my life for the year 2024. And then you make that your ultimate goal, and you focus on it, and you do something every day, do something every week, do something every month that moves you towards your goal. It will get to a point where you'll be slagging, right? Because you become tired, you become bored. But don't forget, to achieve anything, you begin, you continue, and you become. There are three processes. You begin, you continue, and you become. You cannot become something that you've not begun. And you can also begin something and you decide not to continue. If you get to the middle and you quit, it means you've not started anything yet, because you have nothing to show. So the middle point is where you go through the valley, the ups and downs, where some days you are tired, where some days you feel bored, where some days you feel like there's no hope in whatever you're doing. The great goal you have set that you were happy in the beginning, now you get to the middle and you think there's no hope at the end. But I'm telling you for a fact that if you keep doing something over and over and over again, excuse me to say, even if you're a stupid person, you will definitely hate it. That's the rule of law, right? It's just principle of life. You keep doing something every day, every day, every day, keep doing the same thing every day, keep moving forward. No matter what happens, you will definitely make it. But we don't make it in life because we keep changing things. We do things for 3 months, we change it. For 1 year, we change it. For 1 month, we change it. For 2 weeks. Some people even don't start at all. Some people say, oh yeah, this is a great goal, I will start. And then they start one day, the next day, they slag behind. So select only one goal, focus on it, do something every day, do something every week, do something every month to be able to achieve that goal. And at the end of the year 2024, you'll be very happy that you've done something better in your life, because that is the goal that you decide to achieve. That's the purpose you decide to pursue. These are the things that when you do, brings you exponential growth in life. So I think that will be all for this video. I just wanted to share a small motivation with you. I'm Seto Was. I'm a day trader here. I trade forex and I trade indices. So welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed the video so far, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and come back every time to watch such videos. Seto Was, your mentor, and I'm signing out.